Now for the reality check. The range is the primary deal breaker. While BMW claims 56 miles, I found that if you ride with any level of aggression in flash mode, you're looking at a real-world range of 40 to 45 miles. For a pure city dweller, that's a week of commuting, but for anyone with a suburban to urban trek, range anxiety will be a constant passenger. Then there's the charging. The base model comes with a 0.9 kilowatt external charger that takes 5 hours to get from 0 to 100%. The Highline package upgrades you to a 1.5 kilowatt charger, but even then you are tethered to a standard 110-volt outlet for nearly 3.5 hours. There's no level 2 or DC fast charging here. Finally, the price. At roughly $7,600 before options, you are paying a heavy premium for the BMW badge and the unique aesthetic.